Hello everyone and welcome back to Crafty Guild. Today I will show you how to crochet a poinsettia. For this project we're gonna use a worsted weight yarn. I'm using big twist yarn for this project. And then we're gonna use a 3.5mm crochet hook. And a pair of scissors. These are not mine, this is my son's scissors. Please excuse my scissors. To start making our project, we are going to make a magic ring. And then chain 1. And then make 2 single crochet into the ring. And then chain 3. Then make a slip stitch on the first chain. Next, make 2 single crochet and then chain 3. Then make a slip stitch on the first chain. And repeat, make 2 single crochet, chain 3, and then slip stitch on the first chain. Then pull the tail to tighten the ring. Next, insert your hook onto the first single crochet. And then we're going to use the red yarn now. Wool up the red yarn. And then chain 8. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then skip this one chain and then slip stitch in all the remaining chains. And then next, we're going to work on this single crochet here. So insert your hook, then slip stitch, and then chain 8. Then skip one chain and then slip stitch in all the 7 chains. Just repeat the pattern until you reach the 6th single crochet stitch from the last round. And then you can pause the video for a while and then I'll be back when I'm done with this round. Next round, you are going to slip stitch on this first stitch. We are going to make the first petal. Next, make a single crochet. And then next stitch, make a half double crochet. And then make a double crochet. And then on the next stitch, make a half double crochet. And then on the next 2 stitches, make a single crochet. Chain 3. And then in the next 2 stitches, make a single crochet. And then make a half double crochet on the next stitch. The next stitch, make a double crochet. Then half double crochet. And then on the next, make a single crochet. And then on the last stitch, make a slip stitch. Now we're done with the first petal. We're just gonna repeat that pattern. So first, make a slip stitch. And then make a single crochet. Next, make a half double crochet. And then double crochet. And then make a half double crochet. And then on the next 2 stitches, make a single crochet. And then chain 3. On the next 2 stitches, make a single crochet. And then half double crochet. Next, make a double crochet. Next, make a half double crochet. And then single crochet. Then on the last stitch, make a slip stitch. Just repeat the pattern until you reach the 6th petal. Now we're done making the flower. We're gonna make the leaves. To make the leaves, first, I'm going to make a magic ring. And then chain 1. And then make 6 single crochet into the ring. And then pull the tail so that we can tighten the ring. Next, Insert your hook into the first single crochet and make a slip stitch. Next, chain 12. And then skip one chain, and then on the next chain make a slip stitch, and then slip stitch in all the chains. Then on the next stitch, slip stitch, and then chain 12. Then skip one chain and then slip stitch on the next chain. Then slip stitch in all the chains. Just repeat the pattern until you reach the 6th single crochet stitch from the last round. Now we're done with round 2. Next, we're gonna start making the leaf. In the first stitch, make a slip stitch, and then slip stitch on the next stitch, and then single crochet, and then make a half double crochet, and then double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and then in the next stitch make a half double crochet, and then on the next 2 stitches make a single crochet, and then chain 3. Next, in the next 2 stitches make a single crochet, and then make a half double crochet, and then on the next 4 stitches make a double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the next stitch make a half double crochet, and then single crochet in the next stitch, and then on the next 2 stitches make a slip stitch, just repeat the pattern to make the leaf. Now we're done making the leaf. I'm going to fasten this off. And we're going to tie this yarn ends together. Now we're done making the leaf. I'm gonna do the same with the flower. We're gonna tie this yarn ends together also. Now we're gonna use the yellow yarn to sew the flower to our leaves. Then we're done making our flower. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and find it easy to make. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more free crochet video tutorials.